Very difficult.
I'd like to file a complaint on this list.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Naughty boy. Mbappe.
Kylian Mbappe.
Kylian Mbappe.
Aduh, I fan Arsenal pun tak ingat. Odegaard.
Odegaard, is it?
Odegaard. That is 80%. I don't think that is 80%.
Thibaut Courtois.
Thibaut Courtois.
Courtois.
Noni Madueke.
Madueke.
Madueke. Madueke.
Rudiger.
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 Nanti ingat pula Jamal Musiala. Rambut dia nak sama lah kalau I pendek.
Musiala.
Can't recognize him.
Elliot Anderson.
Elliot Anderson.
Taki Kubo.
I should be knowing this because I'm wearing a Japan jersey. Pass. Kubo. Oh, Kubo. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Tak boleh recall. Player baru. Tak adalah bagus sangat.